I came across some very bad news today, and it's a very scary statistic. That is because, according to the stock trading platform eToro, they found that a whopping 80% of day traders lose money over the course of a year, with the median loss being 36.3%. That's right, 36.
What do you say to the day traders who are in today?
We don't want any day traders.
Okay, boss.
So I come to the market in the morning. It's a Fed day. There's CPI economic data going to be released. And the three boxes that you see on the chart are essentially areas that I am going to be interested in. You can see that I'm up about $500 already, and I have decided to take a short approximately around the mid 4040s. And I'm thinking at the time, price needs to break down below 4034 and 4033 in order to hit what I'm looking as a target, which is going to be around 1412 and 1413. I'm looking at the overall market structure and zooming out a bit, and I recognize that the market is selling off from a big monthly level around 4,300. And because that's happening, I'm expecting it to sell off a lot further. So as you can see, I'm coming into this target around 1413. I'm actually going to end up moving the target a little bit higher just so that I make sure that I get out, but I'm not going to complain about making $1,300 or $1,400. All right, we got a short on off of a 15 minute. I'm going to be really cautious with this. We didn't technically lose, so I have to be really careful because we still have 32, and then again above 32 we're probably making new highs. So this is kind of a risky setup. I do like that it's already tested 18.5, which I would expect somewhere down there. If we sell off, we'll penetrate that. And we're basically looking for a new low below 99 or 4K, call it. And then really your target's like 85. But we'll probably play it safe. We'll watch what they do. I really want to see below 4K. It's probably what I'm going to just put in order, like one tick below. So I added to my position. And only losers add to losers.
Quite apparently, the market's doing exactly what it always does, and that's fooling 99.9% of the people.
Hello?
What's up, dude? What's going on?
Not much. Just in this trade, got in a short. It's not looking so hot right now. Had to add to it, and I'm losing a little bit of money. What's going on with you?
Oh, you know, just out here on the golf course, man, vibing with the geriatrics.
There's a bunch of old people there today.
Always, man. Gotta teach these guys how to play. Yo, did you get that text I just sent?
Nah, I don't think I saw it. What's up?
Check it out.
Oh, okay, let me check it out. I'll catch you later. This guy thinks he's a white Tiger Woods.
There's not a lot of brown dudes at ski races. Okay.
We just got our second ad. So we're basically back to where we were. We reduced our risk. I'm looking at it from the perspective of, this is intraday action. I have some ideas. I have kind of the bigger areas that, would be invalidated if I don't, if it doesn't work. Sometimes you're right away. Sometimes you're wrong. Sometimes it takes a couple entries. But whatever your trading style is, just manage your expectations and then manage that risk. But I'm going to see how this thing plays out. Getting above here, I'll be wrong. I'll lose a couple $100 or whatever, and we'll probably go get 54, which if we get 54, I might be inclined to short again. But I just don't like how we had this huge drop, CPI, and then we're coming back, retracing it all. I don't know. My bias is kind of like, I still think we should be going lower, but in these kind of markets, you just got to be patient.
Ma'am, you gotta have patience. No matter what happens with these modern kids.
And we're getting filled here. So, all right, we're filled, and I'm just gonna flatten this out. And I could be prematurely taking the profit. You figure out why you're willing to stay in the trade or why you don't want to be. It's lunchtime, so I'm gonna go get something to eat, and I'm happy with it nonetheless.